Jubars inside.
10 seconds to shoot.
Leonardo. Wala. Rebound by Jubars. Good for 1 point.
5 seconds.
Jubars. Wala. Rebound by Baldonado. Good. Jubars again inside the ring. Pass to Jubars. Good. Taking it tight. Guarded by Joshua. Castillo fire. Good for 1 point.
Now,
Commander inside. Hey! Good.
9 minutes and
Hernandez. Para si Escamosa. Escamosa on fire. Wala.
8 minutes and 20 seconds.
For 1 point is Hernandez. Cortez fire to 2. Wala. Rebound. Ay, yes. Favor of Commander. Jubars 2. Wala. Rebound. Nakanda na mula. Pass to Jubars. Jubars. Left side. Good.
6 minutes.
Jubars to Dagandan. Dagandan 5 to 1. Good. Doon mula. Dagandan. Good for 1. Yes.
4 minutes 35 seconds. Remaining time.
Bola sa lawas.
4 minutes 35 seconds. 4 minutes 35 seconds.
Nakit sa mula karon.
Last 4 minutes.
Good. 3 team.
3 minutes 55 seconds.
Dagandan fire. Good for 1. Mula sa Pito Nuggets. Obshua. Fire to 2 Cortez. Good. Good points. Go points.
3 minutes seconds to shoot.
Castillo fire. Wala. Rebound by Dagandan. Dagandan fire to 1.
Last 3 minutes 55 seconds.
Jubars inside 5 to 1. Good. 14. Dagandan.
45 seconds.
Jubars. Good for 1. Cortez 5 to 2. Good.
25 seconds.
Jubars. Dagandan. Wamula.
20 seconds.
Cortez 5 to 2. Good. Time for the end of the bull game. PHP 2025 in COWB Shop. Pagayan dito.
Next game. Kita mo kayo, wala may time.
11-15 ang score. Commander.
Ay, pakpak kasawa!
Crossover match, Commander versus Riyadh. Riyadh na mag-conclam niya. Commander.